Welcome to Weje, a multifunctional service for collecting, storing, and structuring information. In this video, we're going to review a classic introduction of KWL chart in a ready template. This tool is mostly used by students and teachers to facilitate the studying process. In your workspace, click on the All Templates field, select the KWL chart template, and name the board. Then click the Create button. The template consists of the main KWL chart sheet, which you can name as you want, and cards that are organized into 3 columns according to the KWL strategy. The What I Know column is for information that you already know. The What I Wonder column is for information that you plan to learn. The What I Learned column is for information that you learned during the studies. The number of cards in each column can be increased should you need that for your learning process. To add a new card, first create it using available tools, and then drag and drop it where necessary. Fill in the card with the required information. Change the card color to any color available, or you can duplicate a card that already exists. Reduce the number of cards by clicking the Delete icon. You can add images, videos, and documents on your board. All materials on the board can be combined into connections. You can invite other Weje users to a board with a filled template using the board properties. To invite another user to a board, add their email address in the Shared Access box. To receive the invitation, the user must be registered in the service. Only registered users can receive invitations. Select User Properties and click the Invite button. Users can give access to a board using a link. To do that, click the Publish button and select a property for the user you're inviting. Copy the link and send it to that user. Even unregistered users can open the board with this link. You can copy a whole board. In Board Properties, click the Copy Board button. The copied board will be added to the general board list. This option may come in very handy when the template is used frequently. Weje can create a KWL chart for any purpose, either from scratch or with a suggested template. You can invite other users to the boards for collective studies or to fill in the cards.